Madam, please, that's Spencer. Excuse me, sir, your double-seated thermal Long John BVDs. Sunny Jim supporter, your beanie and your parka. Prepare ye for that Melbourne Saturday Arvo footy freeze. It'll be colder by a mile than John Elliott's smile. You'll be bluer than a Carlton duffel coat. But here on 3LO, it's the bee's knees. Supporters, if you please. There's high flyers, open fires, and warm yourself by that crystal set, the hottest footy show yet. They're sweet, complete, chock-a-block of body heat. I'd like it all meet that could have been champions. They're burning, you're learning and yearning, and Uncle will be returning. Woof, 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 woof.
Peter Knight's let me play full forward today. I'd feel strange on the interchange. That would not be fair, just to let me be. Oh, let him be your Brisbane Bear. I don't wanna play for the Tigers, 'cause Tigers play too rough. I don't wanna play for the Lions, 'cause Lion players don't get paid enough. I just wanna be your Brisbane Bear. Pay me lots of mega bucks, and I'll move anywhere just to let me be. Oh, let it be your Brisbane Bear. I don't wanna play for the Magpies, 'cause they get salary cuts. Anyone who plays for the Magpies must be numb. Your Brisbane Bear. I'm prepared to arm my arms, put hair gel in my hair just to let me be. Oh, let it be your Brisbane Bear. Oh, let me be. Oh, let it be your Brisbane Bear.